In this video, I'll show you the 3 different places where you're going to find the fuse boxes of your Mercedes-Benz ML from 2006 to 2011. So the first fuse box is located on the passenger side. Take a flathead screwdriver and we need to remove this cover that is at the end of the dash. Simply pry it out. It's held by clips and you're going to notice there will be a few fuses located right over here. Very easy to have access to them. Now the second fuse box is in the trunk of the car. So on the right side you're going to find a panel that is locked in place. You'll need to rotate these, I don't know how you call them, they're not really screws, it's just so the panel does not fly over. So simply rotate them until they are in a horizontal mode, and then with your flathead screwdriver pry the panel out, and the other fuse box will be right over here. You see there's some relays but also some fuses. And finally, let's go to the third fuse box of this car that is located under the hood. So pop the hood of the car and you're gonna notice there is a box on the left side, this one. It's held by these clips that you need to unfold and try to lift the cover. Unfold the clips completely, remove them, and the cover should come out. Here we go. You're gonna have relays and fuses as well. So this is the third fuse box. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.